Welcome friends for this TPM awareness session, and today we are discussing KK loss number 15, die, jig and tool loss. Die, jig and tool loss, it is a loss number 15 in KK pillar series where wear, damage, maintenance, downtime, high cost that leads to the die, jig and tool loss. Small losses today, big losses tomorrow. Reduce tool losses, improve productivity and increase OEE. Common examples of die, jig and tool losses: tool wear causing dimensional variation, frequent tool replacement, die breakdown during production, jig alignment issues, tool searching time, tool life not monitored, fixture damage, unavailability of spare tools, excessive tool change time and improper tool storage. All these leads with the die, jig and tool loss. Control tool losses to boost productivity and OEE. Small losses today, big losses tomorrow. Typical manufacturing examples of die, jig and tool losses like CNC machine ready, material available, operator available, but cutting tool worn out. Result: production stop, tool replacement required, trial parts produced, dimensional recheck. 13 minutes production losses is equal to 13 minutes. This is under the loss category of die, jig and tool loss. Impact of die, jig and tool loss: reduced productivity, increased machine downtime, lower OEE, higher tooling cost, quality defects, increased setup time, production delays. Small tool problems today, big losses tomorrow. It affects on lower the productivity, downtime, cost, quality and delays. Hidden effect of die and jig and tool losses: frequent machine stoppage, increased rejection and rework, poor process stability, higher maintenance efforts, reduced production capacity. Small losses today, big losses tomorrow. Eliminate tool losses, improve productivity. Kaizen countermeasure for this die, jig and tool loss: tool life monitoring system, prevent maintenance of dies and jigs, standardized tool change procedure, quick change tooling like single minute exchange of dies, tool condition monitoring, proper tool storage and identification, spare tool availability, root cause analysis of tool failures, periodic die and fixture inspection, digital tool management system. So right tool, right time is equal to the zero losses, which reduces losses, improve productivity, maximize OEE. Goal of Kobetsu Kaizen for this loss: ensure the right tool, die and jig are always available and capable of producing quality parts without interruption. Right tool, right time, zero loss. Remember, a machine is only as good as the tool that performs the operations. Zero tool problems is equal to zero losses, ready to use, right specification, good condition, proper storage, timely maintenance. By eliminating die, jig and tool losses, organization can improve OEE, reduce downtime, enhance product quality, extended tool life, increase overall manufacturing efficiency. Zero tool loss today, excellence tomorrow. If you found this video useful, like this video, share your energy saving ideas in the comments, share this video with your colleagues, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon. Thank you for watching. Next video, KK loss number 16, yield loss. So continuous improvement, higher OE, lower losses, better result. So thank you friends for watching and meet you in the next video.